This is the Takealong Bag. It's a Dob kit meets crossbody bag and is constructed from a 600D polyester that's water resistant. You've got plenty of pockets and organization. We're gonna cruise through them all. Rope zipper pull accents. There's your front pocket. Your second pocket has two-way zip option. Open it up for full polyester lining and a mesh internal slip pocket for organization. Zip that back up. Your main compartment has two-way zip as well. Open her up, and on the inside you have two top entry slip pockets with mesh, and on the back an internal zip pocket for additional storage. Zip her all the way back up. We've still got more to talk about. On the back there is a metal carabiner with detach, and you've got all these great cavu webbing accents, a top entry slip pocket, and a crossbody belt option. So this is adjustable. You have your elastic loops to hold down any of that extra nylon, side release buckle, cavu embossed logo on there. And then you can detach on this side, or on the other side here, you just move your little metal piece off and pull your strap out. That's the Takealong.